Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Anker MagGo Power Bank Qi2. And here we have the power, this is the magnetic wireless charger by HHETP. So both of these will wirelessly charge and stick to an iPhone. That's a really nice feature. It's sticking to the iPhone magnetically and it's wirelessly charging it. Both of them will do that. Now here's where some of the differences are. So the one by HHETP is only 5,500 milliamp hours. That's the battery size inside here. Whereas the Anker is almost twice as much. It's 10,000 milliamp hours, but it is quite a bit thicker. Now, the HHETP, this pink one here, it will only charge the iPhone at 10 watts. Whereas the Anker will charge wirelessly at 15 watts. Now let's get into the differences. The Anker does have a built-in kickstand. Now, the HHETP is really, really slim, so it doesn't have a stand. They both charge with USB-C, okay? Right here's USB-C, and they also output power on that USB-C. So if you need to charge like your AirPods or something, you could put a USB-C cable to like Lightning and be able to charge out of it too. They're about the same size that way though. They both have a display that shows you how much time is left on it. This shows you battery percentage. So again, yeah, having that kickstand is pretty cool. And you can also charge it this way and use the kickstand. There. But I like also how thin this one is. So if I'm going to be using my phone, it's not taking up a lot of space. I can really hold my phone. The Anker is that way too. It's a little bit bigger. I mean, you're definitely going to notice it. It's a lot bigger on the phone, but you do get you get more battery to charge your phone, and it does charge it faster. Now the HHETP does come with this nice little bag. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.